Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm gonna to make a video tutorial in C++, namely about references. A reference variable works like an alias that you can use to refer another variable. Let's make an example. I'm gonna to declare here an integer variable named a, assigned by this value 10. On the other line, I'm going to declare the reference variable using the same type as the variable that reference variable will refer. So this is very important. If you don't use the same type, you will receive errors. So to declare a reference variable, you have to use this ampersand operator, either straight after the data type, or you can use this ampersand operator before the name of reference variable. Okay, let's say b, and I'm going to assign this reference variable with this variable a, and I'm going to use this cout object to display in console the value of b reference variable. Here you go. Let's run this application. Here you go. As you can see, I got this value 10. How this variable reference variable b was able to get this value 10? It is because this reference variable made a reference to memory address of this variable a, and in this way this reference variable b is able to get any value from this variable a. Let's see what is going to happen if I change if I assign this reference variable with this value 20. Yeah, and let's change here the reference variable b with this variable a. Let's run this application again. And now I get this value 20, as you can see, and not 10, as this variable a is assigned here on this line 8. Why this happened? Why I don't get here 10, as this variable a was assigned here on this line 8. This happened because these two variables a and b now are linked, because this variable b made a reference and to this variable a, to the memory address of this variable a, and in this moment these two variables a and b are connected, and any changes I do for this variable b will affect the a variable as well. Also, if I change the value for a variable, for example 15, yeah, and here I'm going to write b reference variable. Let's run again this application. Yeah, I forgot to put here semicolon. Here you go. Now I get this value 15. Yeah, as I told you, these two variables now are linked, a and b, and any changes made to any of these two will affect the both variables, either a or the reference variable b. So that's why I received here 15 and not 20, as this variable, reference variable, was assigned on this line 11. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time.